If you want your Shopify store to look more professional, removing the Powered by Shopify text from the footer gives it a cleaner appearance. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Scroll down to the Footer section. Look for the text that says Powered by Shopify in the footer content settings. Delete this text or replace it with your own custom message if desired. Some themes may also require editing the language settings to remove this text, which can be done under Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Languages, then searching for Powered by Shopify and deleting the text. After making the change, save your settings. Preview your store to ensure the Powered by Shopify text no longer appears in the footer. After saving, your Shopify store footer will no longer show Powered by Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.